Hello, my name is Mathieu Liénard and welcome to the fifth episode of my series of videos on demoing my own lab on Amazon AWS, Pexip Infinity, and Amazon Echo. In the last episode, I demo recording the Pexip Infinity video conference onto AWS S3. As promised, in this episode, I will demo recording the same meeting, but instead of recording it to AWS S3, I will record it to AWS MediaStore, which, as the name implies, is a storage optimized for media. So let's get started. Like in the previous demos, I'm already connected to my Pexip Infinity VMR. I will invoke my Alexa skill and instruct it to record my meeting. If you're interested in seeing in more details the interaction between the user, the Alexa skill, and Pexip Infinity, please watch the demo of episode 4 about streaming here. I'll skip that part and point the Alexa skill directly to the meeting I want to record. So let's get started. Alexa, ask the Pexip Jedi to start recording VMR Mathieu 1.
The recording service is being started. As soon as it is started, the conference will connect to it and start recording. Please wait a few minutes.
So here we see the channel which is going to record to MediaStore is being started. And if we go in the step functions, here we see a new step function which is running. And the step function is looping and monitoring the start of the channel. And once it detects the channel is started, it will instruct the Pexip Infinity to send the media to the channel. In the meantime, if I look at my DynamoDB, I should see a new record here, 4D38, whatever. So that's the ID of my recording. Recording VMR Mathieu 1, currently recording on June 9th, and I'm recording to MediaStore. So let's see if the channel is started. So that's it, the channel is now running. Here, there's a bit of delay in the display of the status of the step function, but we just saw the step function detecting the media channel being started and starting, or let's say instructing the Pexip Infinity to start sending the media to the channel for recording. And here we see in the Pexip Infinity meeting, so we are sending the media to Media Live for recording. So if I go to MediaStore, so I'm in my container, and if I refresh it, here I see a new folder with the same name than the ID in my DynamoDB for my recording. And if I go into it here, so I see the files being created for the recording. So effectively at the moment, I'm recording my Pexip Infinity VMR through the Media Live channel into my MediaStore container. So let's stop the recording. Alexa, ask the Pexip Jedi to stop recording VMR Mathieu 1.
The recording of the conference VMR Mathieu 1 is stopped.
So we see that the Pexip Infinity has disconnected from the stream to the Media Live, and the Media Live channel is being stopped at the moment. So we see a new function currently running. That was a bit too quick, but the step function has already detected that the channel is being stopped. And it has started the post-process of the recording. Although here there's no post-process, but let's say the post-recording actions in this case. So if I go in my DynamoDB, So now I see my recording 4D38 from June 9th, recording VMware Matio 1 into MediaStore is completed. And I see, let's open this one. So I see that the recording output URL, it's not an MPEG-4 file, but it's the manifest, in fact, of my recording. So I will connect to the small portal I have created, and basically what the small portal is going to do is link to those manifests and inject them directly into the HTML file media player. So let's connect to the portal and see the recordings I have stored. So here I am in my browser. I will go, in fact, into S3, where I have created a small web page, which is my web portal and JavaScript. So I will copy that URL into my browser to access my portal. So here I am into my portal and I will look into my recording, and here I see, so it's so here I have my recording of VMware Matio 1 from June 9th. I have the old ones from my previous test from May 30th and May 28th. And here, so I can play my recording. So that's it for this demo. So using the Alexa skill, Lambda function, and step functions I've created, I was able, using Amazon Echo, to ask it to record my Pexip Infinity, and we saw it recording it into MediaStore, and we saw that using the manifest that's automatically created, I was able to access the recording from my portal. So I hope you enjoyed it. That was the last demo of the streaming and recording part. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video.